AI DNN, Patient Condition to Health Score. To analyze MathsFlow.mp4 in depth from an AI perspective, we will break it down into 5 professional layers relevant to AI/ML model design, particularly focused on the DNN pipeline in healthcare as inferred from animated diagram. AI Video Analysis, MathsFlow, AI Model by Pradeep K. Suri. Brain 1. DNN Layered Architecture, Core Understanding. Each visual bar in the animation corresponds to a layer of a deep neural network, DNN. Here's a layer-by-layer breakdown. Layer AI/ML interpretation function in DNN. Input layer, patient features, feature vector of patient data, age, vitals, symptoms, labs, feeds raw structured/unstructured clinical data. Hidden layer 1, feature transformation, linear/nonlinear transformation using learned weights extracts interactions between features. Hidden layer 2, deep abstraction, deeper representation learning, patterns, correlations, identifies hidden risk indicators or latent traits. Output layer, health score, predictive result, example risk score, diagnosis probability, outputs diagnosis, recommendation, or risk factor. Loss function, model accuracy, computes error, example cross entropy, MSE, evaluates model performance. Backpropagation, learning, gradient descent, weight updates trains model via error correction. Triangular ruler 2. Mathematics branch mapping, AI backbone. Each layer is underpinned by mathematical disciplines. These guide how models are designed and optimized. Math branches AI relevance. Statistics and set theory input feature encoding, probability distributions. Algebra and linear algebra matrix operations, weight multiplications. Calculus, differential and integral, gradient computation, optimization algorithms. Probability likelihood estimation, softmax layers, confidence scores. Optimization loss minimization, learning rate scheduling. These are essential for DNN formulation, especially forward propagation, y equals f, wx plus b, y equals f, wx plus b, y equals f, wx plus b. Backpropagation, loss w frac partial text loss partial w loss using chain rule. Repeat button 3. Animation and layer-wise sequencing. The video's animation acts as a progressive AI storytelling mechanism, visually simulating forward data flow, inference path, model understanding depth, hidden layer build-up, training logic via error correction path, backprop. This stepwise animation mimics actual training cycles in epochs suitable for education and boardroom explanation. DNA 4. AI use case relevance, healthcare scenario. If applied to health AI. Input layer, patient medical history, EMR data. Hidden layers, extract meaningful latent medical features, example comorbidities, drug patterns. Output, risk score, example stroke likelihood, ICU need. Loss and backprop, training with labeled outcomes to refine prediction accuracy. This architecture can power clinical decision support systems, CDSS. Patient triaging systems. AI-based diagnostics. Bar chart 5. AI architect's contribution, model explainability. AI model by Pradeep K. Suri adds authorial credibility. The model emphasizes interpretability via math tags. Bridges theory with practice, example calculus rightward arrow optimization rightward arrow learning. Enables multi-stakeholder understanding developers, physicians, executives. Pushpin conclusion, AI insights from the video. Feature AI value. White heavy checkmark layer progression mirrors deep learning workflow. White heavy checkmark math mapping clarifies abstract AI logic. White heavy checkmark animated flow excellent for model explainability. White heavy checkmark healthcare fit ideal for condition to diagnosis modeling. White heavy checkmark teaching tool for AI/ML courses and stakeholder demos. Thank you for watching. Import plotly.graph_objects as go. Hashtag define layers and math branches. Layers equals input layer \n, patient features. Hidden layer 1 \n, feature transformation. Hidden layer 2 \n, deep abstraction. Output layer \n, health score. Loss function \n, model accuracy. Backpropagation \n, learning. Math_branches equals statistics, set theory, algebra. Linear algebra, calculus. Calculus, probability. Probability, optimization. Calculus, optimization. Differential calculus, linear algebra. Hashtag create figure. Fig equals go.figure. Hashtag add horizontal bars. Figure add _trace, go.bar. X equals 1 * len, layers. Y equals layers. Orientation equals H. Text equals math_branches. Text position equals outside. Marker _color equals sky blue, light green, orange, violet, gold, salmon. Hover info equals text. Hashtag update layout. Figure update _layout. Template equals plotly _dark. Title equals text, brain AI DNN, patient condition to health score BR sub mapping DNN layers to mathematical branches, model by Pradeep K. Suri /sub. X, 0.5. Zanker, center. Font, dict, size equals 22. Zaxis equals dict, Shodak labels equals false. Yaxis equals dict, tick font equals dict, size equals 13. Plot _color equals black. Paper _color equals black. Height equals 500. Margin equals dict, L equals 80, R equals 80, T equals 100, B equals 40. Figure show.